Alright guys, welcome to Two Boys RC, and today we got the Nightcrawler SC 110 scale 4x4 rock crawler. Alright, this one here is 2S. It comes with light up night kit, waterproof, and it's rugged scale action. So we're gonna get right into it. This is made by Losi, by the way. Go ahead and open this box, see what we got. Hope y'all enjoy this like I am. Y'all know me, I'm always enjoying these things, man. And it's always fun to get something new. Y'all ready? All right. Woo. Ooh-la. Ain't that bad. Wow. That thing is nice. Whew. Check that out. Wow. Got lights all around it. Check that out. Nice light bar right here. You have light buckets underneath here. Nice springs. Alright, nice little 4-link. You have lights here. And you have another light set right here in the back. Hope you guys can see it. Check that out. It got a gas can. Wow. Got some shovels back there and all kind of little accessories. Wow. That's cool. Uh-oh. Look at that flex. Dang. Okay. Let's see what else is in the box. Let's get those boxes out of here anyways. Alright. You got this here. Let's see what's in here. Uh-oh. It came with batteries. I didn't think it came with batteries, but it did. So you got 4 Sony batteries in here, and you have a bind plug. Also, you have a, I guess a little fake winch, and a jack, and some tools, as usual. And you got your manual. But we ain't gonna be needing none of that. You already know. And then you have your remote. Let's see what's in here. Uh-oh. Wrapped up. Okay. Yeah, it's alright. Got the little plastic knob though. But other than that, you got the steering trim, your throttle trim. Got all your little functions on here, man. Which I'm gonna have to learn, because I don't know nothing about it. So let's get those batteries out. I think I brought the scissors out too. Yeah, I got the scissors. Okay, we'll open that up. There goes your winch, your pretend winch. Scale looking winch. I don't know where it's gonna sit, but I will figure out where everything goes in a few minutes. You got your little jack that goes on the front. Tool pack. Put that in. Let's see that right there. AA batteries, 4 of them. And your bind plug. Alright guys, now we're going to have a closer look. You have your EC3 connectors. Because it's by Losi, you know they put all the same connectors on all their vehicles. You have your ESC. You have your receiver up front. You have your servo up front. That comes with a Spectra. And you have your motor right here to the side. And I'm kind of digging that battery tray. It's cool with the Losi straps. Yeah, that's cool. Also guys, this comes with a brushed 540 electric motor. The tires on this are very soft. Pretty cool rims. I'm liking that, man. Very flexible. Alright guys, we got this Wamfy battery. Hope you guys can see it. Yeah, that should look down.
I'm in here one time.
J baby.
Check me out.
There you go.
I'm in here.
Alright, this is 5,000 milliamp, 7.4 volts, 60 C burst, 37 WH.
I'm gonna be on YouTube.
Yes, sir. And a 2S battery. And it's a hard pack. So we're gonna plug this up and get it rolling. Alright guys, check that out. Let's take this plastic off. Check those lights out. Yeah. Alright, let's just run this bitch. Let's go!
Perfect.
You go around the whole track then, baby. Yeah, you doing your stuff too. Okay, cool. Uh-oh. Cool, you, hey. Okay. Boy, you beast mode. Oh. Yeah. You got the juice, cuz. Take your time, too. Take your time, cuz. That's what this shit is. Alright. Yep, go ahead, cuz. Good shit. Let's go, cuz. There you go. Down the bridge. There we go. Good shit, man. That beat. Losi doing pretty good. Go ahead, go around. Let's see you go around. Alright. Yeah, baby. Oh, that's why you gotta take your time, boy. Oh, I went off. Oh, okay. Let's see. Let's see if you go around it.
Perfect.
Yeah, you know went around there. I'll come around and see. Alright, we can go around the... Okay. Yeah, come on my way. Yeah. Alright, let me get this. Yeah. Alright, let's go around there and come back around to the bridge and go down. Yeah. Yeah, come down, go around it. Oh, you got it, cuz. Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh, hold on, let me see.
I'm in now.
Oh, rolling over your ass.
Yeah.
Coming through the tree. Oh. Wait, you want that? Nah, we ain't. Oh, man, I beat that. Yeah, I will. I might.
Get up out of here, bro.
Flex on me. Alright, put you up out of there. Oh, you got it? Make a left.
We're gonna come back up and go around and come across the bridge and back right there.
Alright, so we're gonna make a left and then go down and go around.
Yeah, left.
And come back out.
And then we're gonna go down and we're gonna come up right there and come down and come up the bridge this way. We ain't gonna come around the tree. We're gonna leave the tree out. We're gonna come straight down the bridge this way.
Alright. When we ready. Oh, go ahead. Go on the other side. Fall, and then I get on that ass. Uh-oh. Oh, no! Fall around that tree. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah. Oh! I can't even steer right. Hold on. Yeah, look at it.
Perfect.
Yeah, with the flex. Alright guys, so far man, the Losi Nightcrawler's been holding up against the track, man. Hope y'all like it.